So hey everyone, and I am Slesha Gupta and you are most welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best CSS tools which you can use to make your life much more easier. They are really very useful and they might help you to make your website look more beautiful than ever. So here I have tagged them in, I have already bookmarked them on my browser and I'll be pasting the link in the description. So don't forget to check out them. So the first one is for box shadow. Usually in CSS, we add a shadow to our box in our websites to make it look more beautiful. So here they'll be providing you with the code and without any hassle, you can use it as you want. You can alter it as per your requirements. You can change it. You can change its blur radius and anything you want. Then what you can do is you can just copy this code from here and you can go to the page you want. Like you will go to your code editor and over there in the CSS you can paste it. That's all you need to do. You can alter it. This was the first one, box shadow CSS generator. Then is for Neuralism Generator. Many people ask me in the comment section for that about Neuralism Generator. So here is it. You need not write any code by yourself. You can just alter over here according to your requirements as you just did in the shadow one, and you can then copy it from here and you can use it. The third one is for CSS button generator, using which you can create a button of your type and then you can copy the code and then you can use it as you want. You can alter everything that you want. You can alter this text also. You can alter the color. You can change the background. You can uh, take it to no gradient. You can make it gradient. You can make it transparent. As you want, you can do it. It offers a lot of functionality. Then is this color palette. That's very much useful. I have seen this. Like one is that for color picker for CSS, in which you can choose the color you want. Over here, you can create a palette and then you can use it as a theme for your website. What you can do is you can remove it, or you can like this color so that you can use it in future, or you can add more colors also if you want in this, so that you can get as many colors as you want for this. You can also select and upload some images if you want to abstract from color from them, or uh, like there are many more options in this that you can use to choose a color palette. But for that, first you need to sign into this, so don't forget to sign in and then use it to generate the colors you want. Here are the color codes which you can copy and you can use them. You can view more shades for this as well, and you can change it over here if you want. So I hope that this would clear. And the last but not the least, this is fancy border radius. Like generally using CSS, we are not able to generate much borders, like only for the corners. But using this, you can take your object to any shape according to your will as you want. Like generally it is in this shape, and we are not able to alter it much, but using this you can alter it as much as you want, and then you can copy the code from here for border radius and then you can paste it on your site and you can use it. So I hope that this video was helpful. I'll be pasting all the links in the description below so that you can also go and check them out. And I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. And if you want more videos like this, please comment in the comment section below.